Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. Even though the COVID-19 vaccination drive will start on January 16 all over India, the centre has issued guidelines as to who will receive the shots and who won't. As per the guidelines, people aged below 18 years, pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers will not be given vaccine shots in the first phase of vaccination. Odisha's Health and Family Welfare Department Director and Vaccine in Charge, Vijay Panigrahi, said that pregnant women and lactating mothers will not get the vaccine jab. People with ailments and those who have been hospitalized will also not be vaccinated now. The much talked about Nayagarh Pari rape and murder case, which has been witnessing many twists and turns with the progress of the SIT's investigation, took a new twist Friday. In reply to a query on court-monitored inquiry into the case by RTI activist Hemant Panda, the Orissa High Court has clarified that the state government wrote a letter to the court seeking a court-monitored investigation. After a gradual rise in temperatures in the last few days, the cold wave is about to return to Odisha. The India Meteorological Department announced Thursday evening in its bulletin, state capital was indeed cold in comparison to other days this week. This year, the Republic Day functions in Orissa will be observed sans students, a letter issued by the Orissa government's Home Department to all the district collectors and SPs states so. In the letter, the Home Department said police cantonments will only participate in the Republic Day programs. The district administrations have been given the responsibility to see that there is no participation of students and NCC cadets. The decision has been taken in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the letter stated. Unidentified persons Friday morning hurled a country-made bomb allegedly targeting a petrol pump in Singapada area under the Khandapada police limits in Nayagarh district. Luckily, however, no one was injured. Sources said Thursday night a customer had visited the petrol pump. He had a heated exchange over some issues with an employee of the petrol pump. The man left in a huff, threatening to come back again. The man then came back Friday morning and hurled a bomb at the pump. It is getting murkier by the minute. The case of the expelled BJP functionary in Uttar Pradesh accused of sexual abuse of children. The police have identified 9 more victims, including 7 minors. This was done on the basis of data recovered from a laptop and other devices seized from the office bearer. Earlier, Ram Bihari Rathore was arrested Wednesday on charges of sexually abusing 2 children, and officials said Friday. Efforts are on to contact with these victims who were sexually abused and record their statements, said Station House Officer, Konch Police Station Imran Khan. That's all for today. Keep watching Orissa Post Live for all latest updates.